It's pretty windy again today. I don't have too bad of a day. It's like 100K. It's a small town, Baker, and then after that, it's like 155 the next day. So the closest town's 100, and then there's not another one for a while after that. So that's where I'm going today, is Baker, and chilling away. I'm trying to shield this so you can hear me for a second, but this is what the wind's been like. You have to go all the way down there to Headwind. That's climb one done out of two. And we got the tailwind right now. Got the boost this time. Going down Man, that was a crazy downhill. Started out with the tailwind, so I think it hit like 70K going down. And that's just spooky on this bike. Because of all the weight, and it's just not ideal for speed, but that was good. And then around some corners, I was going like 10 kilometers an hour because the headwind and it switched. So you'd be going 70, then all of a sudden you just get hit with a burst. You'd be going like 10. Oh, I'm so done with climbing. Just stupid, man. You expend like 5 times the energy. It's windy roads, so I'll cover 100K today, but I'll probably only move like 40K east. Oh, I cannot wait to get out of Nevada, and once I'm over Colorado, it better be better. Oh man, I swear, I hate hills. What? You look like my dog. Well, made it to Baker, but once again, small town, there's no rooms available. So there's a hotel right on the border of Nevada and Utah called the Border Inn. It's about 12K away, so guess I gotta go there. They got some rooms, so to the Border Inn. Little hotel room here, motel. They don't have Wi-Fi, or it's really bad, so I don't even know if I'll be able to post this video today. Probably post it tomorrow when I get somewhere else, but I think I'm going to head to Delta tomorrow. I think it's about 145K from here, but today was kind of grind again. Headwind pretty much most of the day, besides that like big hill when I was cruising down with the tailwind. But yeah, these kind of shorter days, they're not as rewarding. You don't get to go as far and you work just as hard as the longer days, but it's just more condensed and it's a harder effort. Like, instead of going 11 hours at a 20 kilometer an hour pace, you're going like 6 hours at like a 12 kilometer an hour pace. So, but that's just how it is. So here we are, Nevada-Utah border, starting Utah tomorrow, and that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be talking it and keep it not so bad. Bye.